Hello students, today we are going to have revision of the chapter Mountain and the Squirrel. Also we learn about the poet. We have learned Mountain and Squirrel had fight. Mountain insults Squirrel. But Squirrel is so patient that he doesn't get angry. He did not get angry and he was explaining to Mountain the value of different person, different talent. Dear students, Squirrel was insulted by Mountain, but he did not abuse, did not scold, did not give back anything. But he explained the value of being big and value of being small. He explained, Mountain, you are big. You contain everything. You have talent to carry the forest, people, buildings, trees, plant, forest, everything. I can't do that. But I can move around. I can crack nuts, which you cannot do. I cannot carry the mountains on my back, but I can crack the nuts. I can move around, but you can only stand in one place fixed throughout the year, whatever weather it may be. So children, the poet want to explain us that every human has different talent. And each one's talents are different. So each one is different, we should accept like that. Now, Ralph Waldo Emerson, who was born in 1803 and died in 1882. That means he lived 79 years. And within that, he worked lots. He wrote so many books, essay, poem, and also about the nature. He was an American poet. He was essayist, lecturer and philosopher. Essayist means he wrote essays and lecturer means he was a professor who taught higher classes, college or any other ways. And philosophers means who discussed on the different topic, any thoughts or any points were there where they went deep down and thought and discussed and they wrote. So students, we have seen how the mountain and squirrel have discussion about life. This lesson Ralph writes for us. Sometimes we get irritated with somebody says something. We don't understand if they tease that you are black, you are fat, you are small, we get irritated. No need. Big one, tall one, fat one, short one, all have different talent, different place. Black and white, this is not our choice. It is God-given gift. We cannot change. If today somebody says I am black, we cannot become tomorrow white. And white one cannot become black. So dear children, we should learn, we should know what is our talent, our capacity. Have confidence. Here the poet says, he is widely regarded as one of the most significant writers of the United States of America in the 19th century. Emerson wrote on a wide range of subjects such as freedom, an individual's place in the world, and the relationship between the soul and the surrounding world. Some of his well-known poems are Mountain and the Squirrel, that same chapter we are having it, Conquered Him, Brahma and Uriel. Uriel means repent. His famous essays include Self-Reliance, The Poet, Circles, nature and experience. So dear children, for today this much is enough. So thank you children.